Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to take the user input and and user need to take an array of an array of size and user need to give an user inputs and store them in the array, and user need to print those array elements in a reverse order in one line. So this is the problem statement. This is the problem statement. So for example, let us take n is equal to 10, or we can take 4. So user in ARR, we have to store 4 values: 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to store 4 values here, and an output should be like this: 4, 3, 2, 1. So in a single line, single line. So in this way we can write the program we can get the output in a single line. Like we have to get the output in a single line in a reverse order. So how can we achieve that? So let us write the code. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So here I will write import java dot util dot star scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in int n is equal to sc dot next int, and I will take array. So as I told you, int square brackets, and I have to take variable and new int which defines the size. So what size? It should have n size. And after that, I will take a for loop which starts from 0 and it should be until n, and I will increment I plus 1. And after that, I will take user inputs in the array, using AR of I seed of next int. So we have taken the user inputs. So now we have to print it in the reverse order, right? So what is the first value? N, right? I have to start from n, right? So n is 4, right? N is 4, right? So because we will travel up to n, like we will travel up to 0, sorry, we will traverse up to 0. So that's why I'm writing I minus 1. So don't worry, I will explain it. So after that, I will take I greater than or equal to 0 and I plus plus. I plus plus. So see like this. So here, so what is the nth value? It should be 4, right? It should be 4. So we are seeing it here we are seeing it as n minus 1 here. So this is n minus 1 and so on. It will travel up to 0, right? So why I'm writing n minus 1? Because we are traversing is equal to 0. For example, so why I'm writing greater than the 0 means like we are traveling up to 0, right? We are not traveling up to 1. We are traveling up to 0. So that's why I am deleting the last value, deleting the last index. That's it. I am deleting the last index. That's it. I'm not deleting the value. I'm deleting the index. I am deleting the index. So we are traveling to 0, not 1. So not 1. So that's why I am writing n minus 1. So n minus 1 means the previous one, the previous index. That's it. Okay. System dot out dot println. Just write error of I. That's it. Let's run this program. So let's comment this thing and run this. And click here for. So what should be the output? So we have to give user inputs, right? We have to give user input. So we have to get in a single line, right? So in a single line, we have to write print. We have to write print. Let's run this program again. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be, the output should be 4, 3, 2, 1 in a single line. In a single line. I want some space here. Okay. Let's give an enter here. Let's get enter here. So what I'm doing is I want some space. So that's why I will run this program again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. So what happened? 25. System dot out dot print. Sorry. So here, why I'm getting this error? Because we are coming from the top, right? We are coming from the top. We should decrement. We should decrement. So we should decrement, right? We are coming from 4, 3, 2, 1. So what I have written? I plus plus, which means it is exceeding out of the boundary. Exceeding, like I'm telling when n minus 1 is 4, right? So I'm telling it go increment to 5. So it is possible, not possible, right? So that's why we have to decrement first 4 and after 3 and after 2 and after 1. So that's why it's giving this time. So let's run this program again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Press enter. See, we got the output. We got the output. See here. So same thing, we can do it then in another way also. In another way also. Another way. So instead of I will take here n minus n and it should travel up to 0. It will travel up to 0. Why? We are neglecting 0. So now it will give the same output. So you can write in this way also, you can write in this way also. Let's give 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and press enter. And press enter. Okay. It is not possible. Why? Because the last digit when I'm doing when I is equal to 1, when it comes to when I is equal to 1, I will decrement. So I will decrement. So that's why it is not possible to write like this. It's not possible to write like this. I hope you understand why I'm writing like this and I'm showing to you. So when I is equal to when I is equal to n, it will print the output where it will print the 4, and when I is equal to 3, when I is equal to 3, it will print the other thing, and I is equal to 2, it will print other thing, and I is equal to 1, it will print, but and after that it will decrement to 0. So which means it's out of bound index. It's out of bound index. So that's why we should not write like this. Like we have to check every condition whether it will work or not. Whether it will work or not. For example, if we write like this 4, 3, 2, 1, so then we will get the correct order 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand the logic of this program. And if you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.